time, man! You're late for what meeting? You can't just steal my scooter! Did you just straighten your tie? Oh my...
Why is this my life?
Attack from the gods! Why is this my life? Really?
You never clean my filter. Do you think I enjoy brewing your stress every morning?
I just want coffee!
We're on a break. Come on.
Gasp!
You know what? I'm filing a workplace complaint. Next time, bring a cleaning tablet.
Congratulations! You've just won a lot of bananas! What the? Is that
Oh my god, the truck's back on the bike again!
Wait, what is? There's a bus!
A bus!